first step is to take the printer out of the plastic packaging carefully. Also remove the blue tape which is at the printer in the front side. Open the front ink cartridge chamber and remove the tape carefully. So once you remove it, now we have to connect the printer with the electrical powers. For that you get a wire. So insert the one end to the back side of the printer and the other end will go to the power supply in the power socket of your house. Once it is ready, now we are going to install the ink cartridges. For that we need to switch on the printer, so press the power button on and switch it on. Now open the front door which is here, and ink cartridge chamber is present just behind it, so you just have to push it outside, it will open as well. Now take the ink cartridges out of the starter ink packet and insert them one by one. So black will go to the black and color will go to the color side. Push it little bit inside and hold the printer with the other hand. Close the chamber and also load the A4 size sheets which are at the rear side of this printer. So take it out and adjust the size with the size adjuster and place the sheets. Now the printer will print a printer alignment page which we have to scan on the printer top lid. So open the top scanner and place it facing downwards and click on the copy button. So let the printer scan it and it will adjust the ink cartridge for the best print quality. Now if you want to set up it for the Wi-Fi direct or for the home or office Wi-Fi network, then you can watch my other videos. Overall this printer is good for the home and office use, and you can do it for the wireless printing and scanning, and you can do copy as well. Thanks for watching.